My customer wanted a memorial tattoo for his cat.
We're still the kids we used to be.
Took 5 hours.
I put my hand on the stove to
Follow my
see it
Instagram, my
first to
dudes.
bleed. And nothing hurts anymore, I feel kinda free. We're still the kids we used to be. I put my hand on the stove